And welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply frame drop effect to a live video recording in Flutter Android application using CameraX and Media 3 effect. So let's get started. Now first things I want to mention right off the bat that you need to use at least Flutter 3.32.0 or higher, otherwise you will face lot of Gradle issues when you try to run the application. The second thing is you need to use all the camera related code of live video recording and applying frame drop effect. All that is done via native code, so I am not using any third-party library. And the very end, when the video has been recorded and I am playing it from the when I try to play it from the video player package of Flutter, I am getting an error. It is not able to play the video, but worry not, the video has been saved successfully to external storage and you can play it from there as well. So there is no problem in saving the video. I'm not able to understand why it is not able to play the video using the video player package. So if you know how to do that, do let me know in the comments as well. So first let's just create a Flutter project. Okay, I have already created it. Then you need inside main.dart you need to import dart.io. Then here you can see I have created another dart file called mycameraview.dart. So that's what we are referring over here, and this is my project name. So as you can see, my project name is Flutter. That's what I'm using over here. Then here is Flutter material as well as Flutter services. Then here this is boilerplate code which is present by default. Then here is my homepage widget. So it is a stateful widget. Now like I said, we are only interested in the Android platform. So here you can see I'm only keeping the permission for Android false by default. Then I'm checking it as soon as our app is loaded. So that's why I've created this method channel of camera permission. Then inside the init state, if platform is Android, then we call this get camera permission. Then we invoke a method called get camera permission, and if the result is true, then we just change this particular variable value. Then here inside scaffold is permission granted. We just use this safe area and pass the my camera view, which I will show you shortly. Otherwise, if the permission is not granted, then we just display a text saying give camera permission as well. So here is my camera view.dart. Here I have imported dart.io, Flutter material, services, video player as well as Chewy. So inside your pubspec.yaml you need to add these two dependencies, video player as well as Chewy. So Chewy is basically add controls on your video player. Then here it is a stateful widget. Here I have created a method channel of camera view. The video URL is empty. Then here is our video player controller. Here is our Chewy controller. This creation params are basically used for sending data from Flutter side to Android side, but we are not sending any data. We are receiving data from native Android to Flutter side. Then inside dispose, we just dispose our controller as well as Chewy controller. Then if platform is Android and the video URL has been captured, then we play the video with the help of Chewy, and here we are wrapping it with aspect ratio as well as container. And first, by default, before we capture the video, we are displaying this Android view. So the Android view will basically display your camera for live video recording, as well as it will also have a button to start the video recording as well. Then if you see over here, we get a callback called on platform view created. So that's why this method is using. So here we just do channel.set method called handler, passing in the handle method. Then here we just write this case of send from native. Here we get the URL of the saved video. Here we initialize our controller, add a listener to it. We set the looping as well. We initialize it as well. Here we initialize our Chewy controller, and then we assign this video URL which we got from native Android side to this variable. Like I said, I am not able to play the video, and this is the error which I am getting. So if you know anything about it, do let me know in the comments. Okay, then let's go to the Android folder, go to app, go to build.gradle.kts, and here inside the dependency block you first need to add this camera core, then this camera 2, camera lifecycle, camera view, camera video, then the Android X Media 3 effect, which is still in alpha at the time of me recording this video. Then the Android X Media 3 effect as well as Android X constraint layout. Then go to Android manifest.xml, and here you need to add uses feature of Android hardware camera, camera permission, write external storage permission as well as record audio permission. Then go to main activity, and here you can see I have added a few imports. Then here I have created one variable which asks for camera as well as record audio permission, and if Android version less than equal to P, we also pass the right external storage permission. Here is our method result. Here we override the on request permission result, and if the permissions are granted, then only we send back true, else we send back false. Here is just an helper method to check whether all permissions are granted or not. Inside configure Flutter engine, we just register our view factory. So here we pass my camera view factory. Then here we have this method channel by passing the camera permission, and here we have this method called get camera permission. So we just do activity compat dot request permission, passing in activity our required permission as well as request code of the permission. Then here we have this my camera view factory which we were referencing over here. So create a Kotlin file for that. Here it should be your own package name, whatever you see it inside your main activity.kt. Okay, so here you can just copy paste all this code. Now this is boilerplate code which is present by default, so you don't have to understand it as well, just copy paste it. Okay, and here you can see we are referencing another Kotlin file over here called my camera view. So here is my camera view.kt. So here we again package name. So here we have lot of imports, so feel free to pause the video wherever you feel like and just copy all these imports. Then here is our video capture recorder as well. Then here we have our recording. Here is our process camera provider. Then here is our camera executor service. Here is our constraint layout. Here is our preview view as well, and here is our button. Then here we have this method channel as well. Then here we set our file name format as well as tag. Then here we set the layout params. Here we set the constraint set as well, and then we constrain our viewfinder to all sides of the screen, and from the bottom we leave a margin of 200. Then here we constrain the viewfinder is basically the camera preview view. Then here we constrain our button as well to the bottom of the screen. Here we add a click listener to our button, and then here we call setup camera. Inside setup camera we just call start camera. Here we initialize our camera executor as well, and here we call capture video. So here we just get hold of our video capture. Then if button is enabled equal to false, then here we get hold of our video recording. We stop our recording, we make it as null. Then here is our simple date format as well. Then here we use content values by passing the display name mime type, and if Android version greater than P, we also set the relative part to it. Then here we have this media store output options. Okay, then here we do video capture dot output called prepare recording, and if permission is granted we just do with audio enabled. And here you can see if video recording has been started, we just change the text of our button as well as is enabled to true, else we use video record event dot finalize. Okay, then here we just do copy video to app cache and invoke this send from native method. So here you can see this is the actual URI of the saved video, but it is in a form like content : / which our video player can't really understand. So I asked ChatGPT to copy the video to app cache, and here you can see this, it gave me this code, but unfortunately this is not generating a URL which the video player can understand. I'm not really sure what the issue is. And here we are sending the saved path back to Flutter side. We shut down our camera executor, unbind our camera provider, close our recording as well, and here we change the text of our button as well as is enabled to true. And here you can see this is just a helpful method which I've copied it from ChatGPT. Then inside start camera we get hold of our camera provider feature, we add listener to it as well. We initialize our preview view, we initialize our recorder, we initialize our video capture as well. We get hold of our default back camera. Then here is our use case group builder, add preview use case as well as video capture use case. Here is our media 3 effect as well. Here we apply the frame drop effect. Then we add the effect to use case group builder, unbind our camera, bind it to the life cycle, and here we override the get view where we return constraint layout, and here we override dispose where we shut down our camera executor. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments, but let's first see the output of this frame drop effect. This is the output which I have recorded on my device, so I'll just play it. Here you can see it is asking for my camera permission as well as record audio permission, and then here is the record video button, and here you can see we are getting the frame drop effect. I'll just play it. Ignore this thing which I was recording it from. It is a recording app thing. Okay, so here you can see it is able to record it. I have stopped the recording. I'm not able to play the recording on a video player, but if I go to the files app now, I should be able to see the file and play the video as well. So here you can see the video is getting played. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.